Trading style. Spot trading with targets around 1 month out. Entry levels. 116.59 to 148.30. Take profit targets. Target 1, 242.97. Target 2, 278.20. Target 3, 314.06. Target 4, 356.33. Target 5, 410.77. Stop loss, 69.52. Trading tips. Look carefully at charts before trading. Use simple technical indicators like trend lines and support/resistance. Enter trades after a pullback in price. Profit protection. After reaching a profit target, consider moving your stop loss to your entry price or previous profit target. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.